Do you know why traditional CRMs fail? They distract you with unnecessary features, pulling your focus away from what truly matters, taking the right action at the right time. Worse, they often come with a huge price tag. That's why we created SalesWin, built with focus at its core. Prioritize the right leads, stay proactive with clear next actions, and never lose track of your valuable leads again. With the lowest cost per seat in the market, SalesWin gives you unbeatable value and thoughtful features. Customize your pipeline, set actions, and even define outcomes, all designed to trigger automations so you can focus on what counts, closing deals. Leads are automatically organized into buckets, showing you exactly who to follow up with next. With publicly shareable forms, lead capture is a breeze. SalesWin is built for teams. Delegate tasks, set goals, and track team performance all in one place. And don't worry, your company leads are always secure, even if sales reps change.
SalesWin. More focus, more wins.